Today, everyone and everything is always connected. Customers are more empowered than ever. They expect to engage with your brand on their terms. Customer experience is quickly overtaking price and product as the #1 differentiator. Digitally transformed organizations that can resolve customer issues quickly and painlessly through any channel and on any device will set themselves apart. Intelligent customer service increases brand loyalty through effortless customer interactions. Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Customer Service enables organizations to engage customers, empower agents, and find new ways to add value in the new service economy.
When it comes to engaging your customers, when it comes to actually providing good service, you have to provide them service that's good enough for them to want to continue to interact with you. And customer service, that is still the most direct point of interaction that a company has with a customer.
A searchable knowledge base, peer-to-peer support communities, and other self-service options make it easy for your customers to solve issues on their own, with seamless transitions to assisted support. Built-in intelligence empowers employees at every level to have positive and meaningful impact on business outcomes by providing actionable insights unique to their role and enables your service organization to provide proactive and predictive care.
Digital transformation for the customer service organization means how to properly use the data collected from every single customer service interaction to both optimize the processes and deliver the best answer to the customer every single time.
Position your brand for success and create customers for life with Microsoft Dynamics 365.